Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Udit Jain and this is the fourth vlog of Marketing Meets Reality. This vlog is for someone who is still in their 20s and still figuring out कि यार after college करेंगे क्या या फिर if you've graduated college, what should I be doing? I'll tell you these three things. Just do them and you'll be sorted because it has helped me a lot throughout these years. This is a first-hand experience that I'm sharing. First thing is change. I know it's uncomfortable, but it's highly transformative. I'm not saying कि तू content बना. I'm just saying कि do something that you think is good for you and change accordingly. You have to change your stream, your call. You have to move out of your parents' house, your call. But do change every 6 months. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कोई स्टेबिलिटी मत लाओ लाइफ में कि कोई कंपनी में इफ यूर वर्किंग सो जस्ट 6 months काम किया छोड़ दो. नो, बट चेंज योर रोल्स. सो तुम्हारे KRAs होते हैं उनमें चेंजेस लेके आओ. Take something, take an initiative. I'll give you my example because this is highly relevant to me right now. I am currently building an AI workflow. That is, मतलब NA10 is a platform basically. उस पे you connect with APIs. So I'm connecting ChatGPT का API, Gemini का API, and उसके through एक AI workflow बना रहा हूँ which is going to help the CEO of the company in itself. Since अब मैं आगे का नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि इट्स अ कंपनी सीक्रेट, बट इन एनी विच वेज यू अंडरस्टैंड ये एक एआई इंजीनियर का काम होता है. मी मी एआई इंजीनियर दोनों ही चीज एकदम जीरो. तुम समझ रहे हो कि दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई आई बिलीव कि चेंज इज द बेस्ट थिंग. इट्स अनकंफर्टेबल यस, बट तुम्हें लगता है कि जेसॉन प्रॉम्प्टिंग या कोडिंग मुझे आएगी कभी? बिल्कुल नहीं, बट जेमिनाई को आएगी एंड अब उसकी वजह से मुझे आएगी. नाउ आई कैन पुट दिस ऑन माई पोर्टफोलियो कि यार आई हैव मेड दिस थिंग विच इज ट्रू. सेकेंड, create content. I know this sounds very, since I am making content right now and this and that, I know मेरा viral कभी नहीं जाता content. But the only thing what is keeping me is यार मैं रिग्रेट नहीं करना चाहता कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. Why is this? Because content creation का ना ROI is not linear. It's highly exponential. मुझे नहीं पता ये व्लॉग किसके पास जाने वाला है या कौन देखने वाला है इस व्लॉग को. If I talk about Tanmay Bhatt and Tanmay Bhatt sees my vlog the next day, I am known by him. ठीक है, I know ये बड़ी चीज नहीं लग रही होगी, but if someday he wants to collaborate, he knows me. I'll tell you from a basic standpoint. Let's say तुम्हें creator नहीं बनना. It's perfectly fine. Do not become creator की भी एक लाइफ साइकिल होती है, वो भी चिढ़ जाते हैं after a point and nobody survives that creator life throughout their life. मत बनो. If you start making content, you're confident by yourself. First thing. Second thing, let's say you made content, you grew your Instagram or your YouTube from zero to, let's say, even 10,000 followers. ठीक है? Not that big of a deal, not that small of a deal. अपन ने increase कर लिया. Let's say HR of a company that you applied to has seen you on Instagram making content. Will you not have an unfair advantage? You understand, this is not at all linear. This can go anywhere. I know ये इंटरनेट पे रहने वाला है for the rest of my life. I know, but who cares? Everybody will be doing within 10-15 years. So why not start it early? Third, networking is everything. I'll tell you what, you guys have heard this line a lot of times, so no bullshit. Reality is, networking can get you into places you never thought of. You might be the most talented person in this world, but if you aren't there at the right place at the right time, you won't get selected. That is the reason why, Bollywood के अंदर actors क्यों मुंबई आते हैं and select होते हैं. मुंबई आए बिना select नहीं हो सकते. That is true. नहीं हो सकते तुम. क्यों? Place matters. Very simple example. Networking is a complicated effect, but it's only meant for those who are willing to. Networking doesn't mean कि तुम rich दोस्त बनाओ. It means that if you are present in a room full of people, you talk to them, you communicate, you present yourself. You should be the one standing out. Everything is dependent on visibility. If you can showcase that you are present, you have done your job. It doesn't mean be rude. listen to them, communicate well, make sure that they know your name, make sure that they know what type of a person you are. That is networking. So guys, this was my vlog. कोई भी इस vlog को वैसे भी नहीं देखने वाला, so fuck it, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. But if you like it, please do drop a comment down below. If you've seen vlog इतनी देर तक, तो I guess फिर पसंद आ ही गया होगा. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.